You already know how to get a specific result for people, whether it comes from years in a trade, a specialized professional background, or a working method you developed over time. The value of your knowledge is clear, but turning it into an online business usually leaves you with scattered pieces. You might have a disconnected email list, half-built product ideas, and isolated tech platforms that force you into a manual administrative scramble every time a customer makes a purchase. Because the connections between these tools rely entirely on your memory to function, you haven't built an asset that can scale. You have accidentally built yourself another demanding job. To stop being the bottleneck in your own operation, you need a system that imposes strict commercial order, a structure that inherently remembers what happens next, even when you step away from the desk. The NOAM ecosystem provides that structure. It is a premium commercial architecture designed to take your scattered expertise and engineer it into a connected, evergreen asset. This diagram outlines how we build it. The implementation is divided into the 4 distinct phases you see locking into place here on the timeline: map, build, automate, and validate. Following this specific progression allows you to systematically transfer the operational weight from your own mind into a reliable digital framework, shifting your daily experience from chaotic capability to visible control. The construction begins by mapping the logic of your business. We take the overarching result your customer wants and divide it into 4 connected commercial branches. This matrix shows exactly how those branches take shape. We organize your scattered concepts into 4 distinct vertical columns and populate each one with exactly 3 paid products, creating a complete 12-node framework. Each of those 12 nodes is then assigned a clear commercial purpose, a specific price, and natural progression routes to guide the customer to their next logical step. By giving every single product a defined role, your ideas stop competing with one another. They work together within one unified commercial system. Once the commercial map is set, we build the unglamorous but vital infrastructure that makes it run. This lives in your business control center. Look at this data table. This is where your central spreadsheet standardizes product codes, customer purchase dates, and progression rules. It ensures every piece of software in your business pulls from the exact same logic. This central document takes the invisible, memory-based processes that used to cause confusion and turns them into visible, manageable data. With the data structured, we install the digital engine that carries the repeatable operational weight, make.com scenarios. This flowchart illustrates the exact sequence. When a customer makes a purchase, that central trigger immediately splits into simultaneous automated paths to update the database node, prepare the email, and unlock the access gate, requiring 0 human intervention. Following the update, the system reads your written rules, fires the exact correct fulfillment email, and grants accurate product access. Proper automation means the system reliably keeps the promises made at checkout. It handles the memory work so you can direct your focus elsewhere. Before asking this engine to scale, we pressure test it. You will run a founding customer trial to ethically prove the system delivers on its promise and to identify any failure routes early. To execute all this, we provide specific, practical resources. You receive detailed action workbooks, personalizable AI prompts, and complete project brief documents. These assets allow you to choose how you build. You can complete the work yourself, accelerate your thinking with AI, or hand the clear briefs directly to an agency for implementation. Pairing architectural logic with these tactical resources ensures you finish the program with a proven business library rather than a folder of forgotten downloads. The finished result is a calm, functioning evergreen system. The hidden operating logic works flawlessly in the background to support the polished sales pages your customers see. This allows you to physically step away. You can close the laptop, knowing the system will continue the exact work it was designed to perform. We provide the strict architectural blueprint for this system, but you are not copying a generic funnel or cloning an existing brand. Your products, your content, and your customer journeys remain entirely unique to your market. You walk away owning a completely original intellectual asset. You have 2 pathways to access the program. The VIP progression track releases the curriculum over 4 paced months, while the Elite Fast Track gives you immediate, self-paced access to the entire build. The pacing is your choice, but the destination is identical. moving from scattered knowledge to a structured, automated operating system. Your expertise deserves a system strong enough to carry it. Build once and earn forever.